Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Teague. Let's jump right into it on a VIX expiration Wednesday. We settled for the month of April at 1675. That is a low reading for the VIX, to say the least. That's really the lowest reading we've had since December of 2021. So we are at very low levels in spite of the fact that 2022 was a very bearish year, down year, a very modestly up year so far in 2023. And really in the last week or so, we've seen a modest S&P rally, a very aggressive VIX sell-off. So it's very interesting to see that dynamic maybe at the end of March. With a lot of weak economic data, we saw the bullish sentiment start to rise, and now that is flipping over. We're seeing some greed turning into some complacency in the VIX. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out, but certainly seems like volatility is very suppressed heading into the latter half of the spring, into the summer months. We know the story, sell and may go away. Is that what's going on with this market right now? Maybe people selling some calls into these summer months. Again, we'll have to wait and see. Now, it's really interesting. I talked about this nice rally we've seen so far in 2023. Amazingly, 90% of the gains in the S&P 500 have come from 10 stocks. So that tells the story of very narrow breadth. Tells the story that a lot of it is in the tech gains that we have seen, and that is coupled with, of course, interest rates coming in so far this year. Finally, I want to talk about those interest rates. There is still this disagreement between the equity market, which is pricing in best case scenario for the market, no recession, cooling inflation, rates coming in, and the bond market, which is very aggressively pricing in a recession, very aggressively pricing in a quick Fed cool down in rates. And the Fed, for their part, has said no rate cuts in 2023. The bond market's pricing in 1.5. What will happen to those tech stocks if the bond market corrects to what the Fed is saying? Again, we'll have to wait and see. Certainly, we're seeing low volatilities here at this level. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teague.